Are you having issues with your Nest camera showing a solid red light or cycling between red and green rapidly? Follow all the steps that I will mention in this video to properly fix this issue. All Nest cameras, regardless of the model, comes with LED indicators that light up in several colors to relay its current status. Green, blue, and white lights are the more common ones, which usually correspond to statuses such as recording, connected to Wi-Fi, or powering up. Red lights are an uncommon indication for Nest cameras. Even Google does not have a solid answer as to why your Nest cameras blink or show a solid red light. Google claims that this is an issue with the LED itself and has nothing to do with the actual functioning of the product. But they still recommend that you contact customer support in case your cameras start showing a red light. For Nest IQ cameras, the outer LED ring blinks red if insufficient power is supplied. The red light can also pop up when something is wrong with your Nest camera. Regardless of the cause, you can perform the following troubleshooting steps in order to get rid of this issue. Insufficient power supply can inflict a lot of issues for your Nest camera, with a solid red light indicating one such issue. So make sure that your device is getting its share of power to work properly. Check the wires or the power adapter for any signs of damage or rust, all of which are red flags. Switch out the damaged accessories for new ones, preferably from Google themselves. Reputed third-party brands should also work well. Now, if your issue is with your power outlet, you could also use a multimeter to check the output voltage of your outlet. With battery-powered Nest cameras, make sure that the batteries have enough power to sustain the camera operations. If your Wi-Fi connection is unstable, errors are bound to happen. You can check if your Wi-Fi network is stable by connecting another device like your phone to the same network as your Nest camera. If you find your connection to be laggy, consider power cycling your internet router. Just unplug it from power and plug it back in after a minute. You could also try switching the Wi-Fi band of your Nest cameras, as the camera supports both the 2.4 GHz and a 5 GHz Wi-Fi signal. Although I do recommend that you stick to a 2.4 GHz signal, as it provides better coverage and less chance for signal drops. It's also important to ensure optimal signal strength between your Nest camera and your router. Mount your camera closer to your router or opt for a mesh or Wi-Fi extender to increase your coverage. Now, if you can't get rid of the red light, even after following all the steps that I've mentioned so far, try resetting your camera to its factory defaults. To factory reset the Nest camera, first remove it from the Google Home app. Head over to the Settings tab of the camera and select Remove Device. Confirm your selection to delete the camera. Once you have successfully removed the camera from the app, you will need to use a pin to press the reset button on the body of your camera to initiate the reset process. Press and hold the button for 10 to 12 seconds until the camera LED turns solid yellow and the countdown timer runs out. By the end, the camera should be showing a blue light, indicating that it's ready to pair. Pair your camera back again to Google Home and you should be ready to go. If you have further queries, do comment down below and I'll be sure to help you out. If you found this video useful, do give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more smart home content.